In the 5th grade, I can always remember being the primary caretaker for our pets, just treating them for simple problems like toenail trims and little cuts and things like that. So it was just something that I wanted to do since I was little. Hi, I'm Dr. Han Chow, and I am the owner and veterinarian at Family Veterinary Hospital and Middleburg Animal Hospital. One located on Route 50 and the intersection of Route 50 and Gum Springs Road in Chantilly, Virginia, and the other one is in Middleburg, just 20 minutes west on Route 50 off of Sam Fred Road. I am a graduate of Virginia Tech Veterinary School. And I'm actually a local. I got my bachelor's degree at George Mason University, and my husband and I are high school graduates of Loudoun County. We're both Broad Run High School graduates. So we've been in the county, in this area for almost our whole life. And I'm extremely excited to be a part of the Loudoun Women magazine, to be able to really promote education of how to enrich our pets' life. Pets enrich our lives so much just with their presence and being our pets, that as a veterinarian, I feel like I'm their advocate, their voice for helping them to achieve a more enriched life. And we do that through Western and Eastern approach so that we can look at the pet as a whole. Acupuncture in general has been a traditional medicine that's dated way over 3,000 years old to the Chinese. And they believe that pets and people have meridians on their surface of their body that connect to their internal organs. By stimulating the points on these meridians, you're able to heal the point that you're stimulating to affect the organ of interest or the disease of interest. We take care of all pets at Family Vet in Middleburg. We do mainly dogs and cats, but I also do birds, and I do exotics, hamsters, guinea pigs, reptiles, iguanas. I've seen a few turtles and a few snakes in my career, but definitely we do full services for all small pets.